Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making banana nut bread and I'm so excited. This is one of my favorite recipes. So let's go ahead and get right on to the video and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is preheat the oven to 325 degrees and we're going to go ahead and spray a 9 by 5 loaf pan. So let's go ahead and do that. I am using Baker's Joy to spray this. Okay, so now in a bowl I'm going to add 2 eggs. One 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. 1 1/2 cups of regular sugar. Half of a cup of vegetable oil. A 1/4 of a cup plus 1 tablespoon of buttermilk. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And half of a teaspoon of salt. Add 2 bananas in. Really, you want to try and get like really ripe bananas. I have 1 really ripe one and 1 semi-new one. Now I'm going to mix all of these ingredients together. Okay, so at this point you could add in 1 cup of chopped pecans or chopped walnuts, right? Yes. But I don't really love nuts and nine, so I'm going to leave those out. Or you could also add in 1 cup of chocolate chips. So whatever you want to do, but I'm just going to leave it plain because I love banana bread plain, especially to wake up in the morning and get a piece with a little bit of butter on it. And so at this point, you're going to go ahead and pour it into your loaf pan unless you are adding in some extras. Now I'm going to pop this in the oven for about 1 hour and 20 minutes or until it's golden brown and it splits a little bit slightly down the middle. So we'll go ahead and do that and I'll show you when it's ready to get out. Bye guys, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.